Dear learners, again welcome to my online class. I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty. I am also well. Previous class we discussed about narration and our sentence was assertive sentence, and I hope you have completed everything that deals with assertive sentence. And today, dear learners, I will discuss about interrogative sentence. One matter I want to mention, and that is when you will be when you will solve the problem that deals with narration. Interrogative sentence is so much important sentence, and it is very common in every narration. That means passage narration. You will find out that must there is a sentence that is interrogative sentence. So, dear learners, today I will try my best to make understand you about interrogative sentence, that how to solve the problem of narration that deals with interrogative sentence. Dear learners, here I have written four steps that if you see the sentence is interrogative, then you have to follow these four steps, and if you follow step by step, I hope you will be able to solve the problem. At first you have to change say and you have to write, then ask. Second, never you can write to and that, these two words is totally forbidden. You can write it. Then in inverted comma, if you find the sentence as interrogative, and it is known to all that interrogative sentence uh, is written in two ways. On with WS question such as where are you going, when will you come, where are you born. This type of sentence is interrogative sentence, and here the sentence has been started as WS. Then you will see another sentence of interrogative, and that is started as with auxiliary verb such as are you okay, am I going to my school, are you eating rice, etc. So, dear learners, here we see two types of sentence of interrogative sentence. On sentence is started here with WS, and another sentence here started with auxiliary verb. So, in case of narration, when you will find these two sentences, you have to follow these two sentences according to them, and in two ways you have to solve it. And that is, if you see WS, then WS will present there automatically, and if you see there is no WS question, here is started the sentence as auxiliary verb, then you have to write an extra word, and that is if. If or whether. If or whether, you can write any word. If or whether. So here we can understand that if the sentence is started with WS question, here at first you should write WS, and if the sentence is started with auxiliary verb, then you have to write extra word, and that is if or whether. Dear learners, now we are staying the step number 4. Here assertive sentence has been decorated. You have to decorate assertive sentence, interrogative sentence as assertive sentence. That means at first you have to write subject, then auxiliary verb, then main verb, and then extension. So, dear learners, I think if you are able to decorate these 4 steps one by one, then you will be able to solve the problem that deals with interrogative sentence. Now I am writing a sentence.
Start.
Dear learners, I have written a kind of sentence. He said to me, where are you going now? And it is obviously right. This sentence is and interrogative sentence. So you have to follow some rules, and the rules will be followed step by step. At first, said you have to say said, and then write asked. Okay, he asked. To or that never be written. Okay, W is he asked me. Then I will enter into inverted comma, and here if I say W is, then I will write W is. If I see auxiliary verb, then I will write if. Where it is a W is option, so I have to write here W is directly. He asked me where. Next, the fourth step, I have to write the sentence according to assertive sentence. That means at first I have to write subject. So you is the subject of this sentence, and I know, and it is known to all that you is the second person. Then I have to change this second person according to object of this word, and here the object is me, and me's subjective form is I. He asked me where I. Then auxiliary verb are, and I have to change it. Am is are. If you see am is are, then you have to write was where I was going. Now is an exceptional word, changeable word. If you see now, then you have to write then. I was going then. So I have completed the sentence. He asked me where I was going then. Dear learners, in this way, if you are able to complete 5 sentences, already we have completed 2 sentences. One is assertive sentence and it is interrogative sentence. And if you are able to solve these 5 sentences, I think you will be able to solve the problem that deals with narration. And I hope next class we will discuss on imperative sentence. And imperative sentence is the long sentence, and the area of this sentence is so long. Next class we will discuss about imperative sentence. So dear learners, I don't want to prolong my speech. I hope the situation will be developed, and we should be careful, and we should always maintain social and physical distance, and everything will be okay. Just pray for Allah. So see you again our next online class. Thank you very much.